Get ready to be blown away by the iPhone 15 Pro Max star feature, the brand new periscope camera. This camera isn't just any ordinary one. It's got a mind-blowing 5x optical zoom that lets you get up close and personal with your subjects. Imagine capturing the tiniest details from afar like never before. Now, here's the tech magic. This periscope camera boasts a fantastic 120mm equivalent lens, and it's not your run-of-the-mill lens either. It flaunts a groundbreaking tetraprism design, meaning it's super innovative. Plus, it rocks a dazzlingly bright f/2.8 aperture, letting in tons of light, and 1.12 pixels behind a 12MP sensor. What does that mean? Well, it's like having a professional camera right in your pocket. But that's not all the excitement. Hold on to your hats. The legendary Apple analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, is dropping hints that this periscope sensation might just make its way to the smaller iPhone 16 Pro next year. That's right, folks. Even the smaller sibling might soon pack the same punch as the Pro Max model. Imagine the possibilities. Now, here's where the plot thickens. Making this technological marvel isn't a walk in the park. Apple is facing some epic challenges in producing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Why, you ask? Well, it turns out that this zoom lens, which is like the crown jewel of the device, is a bit of a diva. It's not cheap to produce, and it's not easy to make in large quantities. Only one supplier, Largan Precision Co., is up to the task. But guess what? Despite these challenges, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is hotter than a summer's day in the desert. Everyone wants one, and that demand might just mean you'll need a bit more patience to get your hands on it. Brace yourself for potentially longer wait times compared to last year's iPhone 14 Pro Max. And the grand finale. Kuo predicts that by the end of the year, a staggering 80 million iPhone 15 series units will find their way into the hands of eager tech enthusiasts worldwide. Can you believe it? The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the talk of the town, and it's only getting started. Peace out.